Want to impress your friends with some mind-bending tricks? Whether you want to seem like a mind reader or just have some fun, we've got you covered. Stay tuned as we reveal 10 psychology tricks that work on anybody. Don't forget to subscribe. Stalker detector. Ever felt like someone was watching you? Here's a simple trick to find out. Just yawn. If they yawn too, there's a good chance they've been keeping an eye on you. It's all because yawning is contagious. But sorry, this won't help with internet stalkers. Part the sea. Want to navigate through a crowded room effortlessly? Just look where you want to go. People tend to follow the gaze of others, so a path will naturally open up for you. Just make sure you're not wearing sunglasses or glued to your phone. Snack man effect. Remember Snack Man, that guy who stopped a fight by calmly snacking on Pringles and gummy bears? Eating is associated with being calm, so if you find yourself in a tense situation, try munching on something. It might just diffuse the tension. Calm or appease confrontation. Heading into a confrontation? Sit next to the person you think might cause trouble. It'll make it awkward for them to show aggression. Plus, it might even help ease the tension completely. Shoot for the stars. When asking for a favor, start by asking for something ridiculously high. When you follow up with a more reasonable request, they're more likely to say yes. It's all about making them feel like they're helping you out. Eye contact for dummies. If making eye contact makes you uncomfortable, try this trick. Just remember the color of the other person's eyes. It'll make them think you're making eye contact, and it'll take your mind off the awkwardness. Rubber hand illusion. You can trick someone into thinking a rubber hand is their own. Just stroke their hidden hand and the rubber hand simultaneously. After a while, their brain will start to believe that the rubber hand is actually theirs. Creepy, right? Gray elephant. Want to freak your friends out? Try this mind reading trick. Have them pick a number, do some math, and then think of a country, an animal, and a color. Chances are they'll end up with the same answers every time. Stop light. Priming is a powerful thing. Get your friend to spell out shop and cop and then ask them what they do at a green light. They'll probably say stop without even realizing it. Red hammer. Give your friend a math quiz and then ask them to shout out a color and the name of a tool. Most of the time they'll say red hammer. It's a fun way to mess with their mind. Which one of these tricks are you going to try first? Let us know in the comments below. And for even more mind-bending tricks, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.